Yes, I know, you came here to see cat videos, and now all you're gonna get is this vacuum cleaner? Well, not exactly. This isn't a vacuum cleaner. This is the Bissell Spot Clean Pro 3624. Yes, of course, cats are clean, they use the litter box, but every once in a while they leak out on either end. And if it happens on carpet, then this is the right tool to get rid of the mess. So the cleaning water tank has a flat bottom. You can easily set it in the sink. Then open the inlet, fill it with water, and add the required cleaning solution, which I'm not going to do in this video. Close it and reinstall. The initial inspection passed, so now we can turn it on. And be careful, it is loud. I use some hearing protection when working with the machine. So operating is very easy. Just pull the trigger, spray the solution to the stain, use the brush to rub it in, and then vacuum it out. It takes a few passes, but then the results are really good. All the stains I tried it on were almost completely gone, and more importantly, the smell is gone. What I also like is that there is a place for the hose and the electric cord right outside of the machine, so it's a relatively compact unit and can easily be stored away. Last thing to do is cleaning out the wastewater tank, and while it's relatively easy to do, I rather do it outside to avoid any spills and, well, recontamination. Quick word about the cleaning solutions. We tried these two and I actually like the professional deep cleaning better. It does a terrific job and it smells a lot better than the other one. So there you have it. It's a great little machine and we should really have bought it years ago.